When you're interviewing somebody, if you have 6 candidates and one of them has that certification, that's the person you're probably going to choose.
These kids are getting good hands-on skills that they need to be able to walk in the door and just be ready to contribute.
The badges show a level of determination that they're able to learn and grow and develop.
Students deserve to be recognized for excelling in a pathway like this, making this something that people strive for.
It's really important, the power skills that they are learning and developing. Are you a good team member? Are you showing up to work? And it also gives us an idea of how dedicated these individuals are.
We have some workers fresh out of high school. 2 days after they graduated, Friday night they walked the stage, and Monday morning they were here working.
Our students who go right into the job force, they're able to provide for themselves and just really start their life.
The reason to learn it isn't for the test grade now. This is for employability skills. It's to actually understand what to do so that when it does matter, you be successful.